Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. Got to do a tune-up on the YJ again. Sucks living here in California. It seems like every 2 years I got to do a full tune-up just to pass smog. Things running perfect, there's no misses in it, but every time I take it in for smog, I'm always worried about getting that 15 mile an hour or 25 mile an hour test complete. So anyways, every year I do a full tune-up on it. That's plugs, cap, rotors, filter, oil filter, fuel filter, wires. So pretty much it's a full tune-up every 2 years, which sucks. The good thing is I get my stuff off Amazon. It's only about $90 for everything, so you can't beat that. The filter that I got, I'm going to be throwing out. I have a K&N on the car, so, or Jeep. So, anyways, let's go ahead and see what came in the package, and see what we got to do. So, remember, guys, to like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. All right, guys, let's get her done. Alright guys, so I already opened the box, so it's not a box opening deal, but any case, came with some wires, Thunder Core Pro. Not sure how good these are. They seem pretty solid. What are these, 7mm wires? Let's open them up and see. Let's see here. Yeah, these are 7mm wires. Decent set of wires. They're not, your high end, but they're not your cheapos. Comes with 5 wires, one for each spark plug and one for the coil. So we got that. We got a fuel filter. It's always recommended to replace that fuel filter. I believe, gosh, every 30,000 miles. I'm pretty bad at it. Usually get about 50,000 and I'll replace them. And that's mainly so you pass smog. So I'll put the link to all this stuff down below. It comes with a filter, PTC. I'm not sure what brand that is. I've never actually heard of that. It's probably just an offshoot of Wix or something. So, any case, P4670 is the part number for this one. You have PH253 for Champion. Fram, you have PH16. Prolator, I've never heard of that brand, but it's L14670. And then you have the Wix brand, which is 51085. So, it's a filter. I mean, there is good filters, there's bad filters out there, but it's a filter. You change it about every other oil change and you'll be fine. Doesn't matter what brand you get almost. So this time I am going to be replacing the coil. I did notice a hiccup before I replaced the fuel injectors, and I wasn't sure if it was a fuel injector issue or a coil. There's still a slight hiccup, so I'm just going to replace this. It has however miles the car has. I think it's got 120 on it now. Or Jeep, not car, sorry guys. So, got the coil. Comes with Autolite Platinum. I believe it's the copper that everyone says to use. Autolite's a good brand. I'm going to gap these at 0.4, 0.04. They recommend gapping them at 0.035. The reason why I'm opening up the gap is so I can hopefully get a better burn, which will make it pass emissions easier. So this kit comes with 2 rotors, okay, depending on the year you have and the make. This is the one I'm going to be using. I know that because I've replaced it quite a few times. I'm not sure what year this one goes on or what make it is. Maybe it's the Cherokee, I don't know. But this is for the a 95 YJ, so that's the one you're going to use. I know they don't come in one box. It comes in 2 separate boxes. I just threw them in there. Then we have the cap. I'm not sure. They say it's OEM. I don't know if it actually is, but in any case, we got a cap, rotor, wires, all that. It also comes with a filter. Like I said, I'm going to be throwing this filter out. I have a cane in, so I'll just clean that one, put that one back in. So that's what it comes with. Seems like a pretty quality kit. We'll see what it does for my Jeep. All right, guys, so let's tear into the Jeep and see what we see how much we can get done today. So the first part of this tune-up, we're going to be doing the oil change. I picked up some 1040 high mileage oil. Obviously, this Jeep has 110 on it, 120 on it. This stuff's for 75 miles in it, 75,000 miles or more. So we're gonna go ahead and use that. You're gonna need an oil pan. You're gonna need a 9/16 socket or ratchet to get the bolt off the pan. And obviously, I'm gonna use the filter that came with the kit. Okay. They make a multitude of tools to take that filter off. This is one. Sometimes I use it if I need to get into tight space, up into a hole or something. This one can be used to both put the filter on and take it off. They have this special type of filter wrench that goes on a socket wrench, okay? And it actually opens up, and then as you're tightening it, it locks down on this ring, so it allows you to take it off, but it will not allow you to put the filter on. Okay, so we'll go ahead and probably use this one. I'm going to see if I can get a grip on that other filter, and then get going. So let's go ahead and get this pan underneath and start draining the oil out. All right, guys, so I got my son helping me out with this. He's gonna go ahead and loosen up that bolt on the pan with the 9/16 wrench. It's right there, okay? I've already loosened it up a little bit so it's not so tight, but he's gonna take it off. I'm gonna drain it into this pan below. So go ahead, buddy.
Okay, guys, I need to get comfortable first. No, that won't work.
Now you got the right angle right there, good. Oh, flip it over, because it's lefty-loosey. There you go, now you push towards me. Oh, I apologize. I actually had it flip. Now you pull towards you.
Okay.
Hey.
Dang it.
Okay, I'll hold this in.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go, pull towards you. And it ratchets, so come towards, there you go. Yep. Good. Watch what you're doing there. There you go. Yep. Okay, so now it's loose enough, buddy. We can grab a hold of it with our fingers. Watch this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take it all the way off. Remember what I said on last oil change, Daniel? You push on the bolt, right? Until you get all the threads out. And then you go ahead and just let it drain.
Oh, well, that's a lot.
Yep, there's a lot of oil in there.
You said it'd be a little bit of oil, but that's a lot of oil.
A little bit of oil that could get on your hands.
Oh,
We're draining the whole car. Yeah.
I like the smell of oil.
It's pretty black. It definitely looks like it needs to be changed.
Oh,
okay, so we're gonna let this drain, and I'm gonna leave this here. Let's go up top, okay? And open the lid.
It's like moving.
Yeah, you see it draining at an angle. Let's open the lid for the fill valve.
Do I need the wrench? I'll just bring it up.
All right, guys, so I like to open up this filler cap. Don't really need to because you do have some ventilation in there, but this kind of helps it drain. We're just gonna go ahead and let it finish draining, and then I'll put the bolt back in, and then we'll move that pan over to where the filter is. All right, so now that it's drained, we're gonna put that nut back in, or the bolt.
Oh, Dad, there's still a little bit of drip.
Sure, there's definitely gonna be a little bit. You're not gonna be able to get it all out. You're gonna get most of it out.
Why is it clear and brown?
Well, oil actually is almost a yellowish brown when brand new. But as it gets old, it turns black because things inside the engine are burning the oil.
Oh.
It's breaking down the oil, it's picking up dirt. Okay.
One thing they didn't know.
Yep. Okay, so now that we have that bolt in, Daniel, let's put the wrench back on and tighten it up. Yep, that one right there that you have in your hand. You want to tighten it up?
No.
Oh, we got the wrong one. Where'd that other one go? Can you grab the 9/16? This is a 1/2 inch. It's over there in the same pile of tools. Thank you, buddy.
Ah.
All right.
Oh.
Get your safety glasses on.
Safety glasses this, safety glasses that.
I got mine on. And a lot of dirt and oil and everything else underneath here. Okay. We don't need that one. All right, so let's put this back on.
It's done.
Okay, Daniel. To tighten it, you're gonna push towards me. You wanna grab a hold of it?
Here, let me get in. Area, okay.
There you go, just push towards me, yep. Hold on, now push, there you go. Good, we're tight now. Okay, so now we're gonna move this to where that filter is. You see that filter up there?
Yeah.
Okay. So
is it orange?
It's orange, yep. So you're gonna have to slide out so I can slide this towards you.
Does that hold the oil?
That is the filter that holds oil, yes.
So we're changing the filter.
Yep. Orange canister right there, that is the filter. We're gonna twist off and drain into this pan below me. So let's go ahead and get the camera set up and see if we can't get a hand hold on there through the fender well or something and just loosen it up. Ooh. Okay guys, so this is going to take 4 quarts of oil. So we're gonna go ahead and see how full I am now. Probably need another quart or two, but at least we can see if we're on a dipstick. Yeah, I'm not even on that dipstick yet, so looks like I need another 2 quarts. Usually when you're on the dipstick by a little bit, that's when you need about another quart. That's what most vehicles are set up for.
the dipstick, why is it all squiggly at the tip of it right there?
Good question, Daniel. That squiggly at the top is to hold it in the engine so it doesn't bounce out.
Huh. So like snaps into the engine in it.
Yeah, so this little squiggly part is slightly bigger than the diameter of that little hole that it goes in. So when it goes in, it creates pressure so it holds it in.
So it locks in?
Yeah. And then you'll see a little twist down here. Sometimes they put that in there so as it goes in, it actually twists into the engine. Sometimes they just do that to show you where you're reading. So there's not really a specific reason why that's twisted at the bottom. But the top, that's a good question. That holds it in place.
Cool.
So it doesn't bounce out. Looks like I need to add just a little bit more. Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Off-Axis Builds. Got that oil change done. Thanks to my son, he helped me pull the bolt and showed him how to drain it and replace the filter and fill it back up. Please like, comment, subscribe, and join us on part 2. It's going to be ignition. We're going to be doing the plugs, the wires, the cap, and the rotor. So join us on that one. Thanks guys for watching. Remember guys, it's built, not bought.